Okay, here we are again. We are with the Roland MDX. So let's just take a quick tour of the machine so we can know what we need to do here, and then really just plot out our process. So we're going to cut her on and let it go ahead and get crunk up. So how this machine works is obviously it takes its commands from the software. The software is going to be running on the Alienware over here. We're going to use a program called Dr. Engraver. I haven't used the program yet. And so that'll be an interesting process. And what we're looking to do is we're just looking to score the top of these pieces of medium with our design. That sounds simple, and hopefully it is. Now, just a little bit on the machine. The machine has an actual auto tool changer, which is the feature of this machine. And that means that this machine actually knows how to go and get the bits that are inside by itself once that's set in the software. And of course, it covers every size from, real large bits such as this one, all the way down to really fine small bits like this one, right? And even smaller, like there's 1 in 100. We have some really small bits that attach to any of these CNC machines. So what we're going to do is this is our surface. It's actually pretty flat and pretty level. And I've actually leveled this and had the machine do that. And so this is what we're going to be attaching our medium to. We're going to get some measurements of our medium. So let's just really write out hypothetically what we want to get done here. And let me just get to just a simple piece of pen and paper. And let me see here. And then we got our mediums over here. All right. So all we're going to do is we're just going to write out our process. Like, this is a very standard process when you're dealing with CNC machines. And, I'll hopefully, capture everything and not miss anything. So the first thing we want to do is we want to prep the material. Okay. Then we want to measure the material. We want to fix the material to the workspace. And then we want to determine our tools, like our bits, determine the bit. And then we want to load our design in the software. We want to see if we can do a test run. Like some of these machines, like the laser cutter kind of has like a outlining test run thing that it'll do. So we want to see if we can do a test run. And then last but not least, we want to what? And that just means, let me take a moment to make sure that I didn't forget anything. We determine our tool size, we work with our piece, we try to level it out, we attach it to the plate. That seems to be much of what we need to get done. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. Wholeness and balance vibrations. I'm actually using this Sony A6300. I bought it years ago. I have 3 of these. They work like a charm. They're portable. There's no reason to update any more of them. I think you can get them for about $400 or $500 now. Process I'm using now in the workflow is I'm actually getting the videos just right into Final Cut at this point, because they were a bit big for me to just drop them right into WhatsApp. So I'm taking them right into Final Cut, and then I'm compressing them using the compressor's iPhone setting, and that's letting me see exactly right away how big that file is going to be. So that's what I'm doing. Wholeness and balance vibration. I'll see you in a moment.